Today is December 12th at 11:34 a.m. and I'm gonna start packing up my room to move to my first apartment ever. Let's get into this video. Step 1. The photo wall. This is gonna take a long time. Done. Oh my gosh. My absolute favorite part of this whole process is taking off this sticky tack. Okay, step 1 I actually accomplished pretty fast. It was a little bit of a hassle getting those blue things off. Definitely use double-sided tape to put them up if you're gonna do that, not the sticky tack thing that I have. I have this list of stuff that I'm going to do today. I can check off, take pictures off wall. Then I have my shoes and my shoe shelf. That is going to be such a really good thing to have in my apartment because shoes are like so awkward to pack, so let's go. Fact that I just fit all of my shoes except for like my Air Force Ones in one box, like, this is going really well. I did not, oh, my slippers, well, I need those. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna fit. I think it does. If I sit on it, it fits. So shoes are done. Oh, now I should probably take apart this shoe rack. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh my god. So right now I'm going to be doing all of the decor items, like all of the extra stuff and the wall art and stuff. We're getting a good start. I'm watching Friends, trying to ignore the fact that it's going to be off of Netflix on December 30th. Like last time I checked, I didn't say that it was okay. So I'm going to keep going now. It's literally raining right outside my window, which means I have zero lighting in my room, and I'd really like to apologize for that. I am doing so well. I am going to start filling my boxes with clothes that I don't wear like in the winter, so all of my summer clothes, and I think that'll be good for today because I don't really want to pack up stuff that I'm gonna need in the next like week, but just thinking that I'm gonna be moved to a completely different city in a completely different apartment and I don't have a room in my parents' house anymore is finally hitting me. I don't really know what to do about that, but I'm so excited. But it's also like, wow, I don't live with my parents anymore. Like in a week, I'm gonna be like, oh, my home is in Toronto. Like, I don't know. Anyways, so I'm gonna get packing again. I just wrapped this thing so tight around my wrist I can't get it off. Got it. Okay, so here is the current progress. I have all of these boxes filled and my closet is a little bit empty. I have no decorations anywhere. Oh, I have to take that mirror, that's actually pretty big. All of these hoodies I need and like socks and underwear and stuff. This chair is big, vacuum, I don't know why that's there. This, I think I might leave here. I don't know, like the really good thing is that I don't really need to like take everything because my parents still live in this house. So if I forget something, I can just come back and get it. I do have to empty those Alex drawers but not right now. I'm gonna empty that, but then I have no lights up here, which is kind of crazy, and everything is so empty. Like, I have no decorations. Today was such a good packing day, and I am so excited to get the keys tomorrow. This is insane. I'm getting the keys. It's at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Gosh, that's so full. It's moving day!
Yay, she's leaving the house!
Sorry, the really tough thing to carry. I'm doing all the dirty work. So right now we're going up to meet the landlord and their agent to get the keys and to just like see where my locker is. It's so awkward to watch someone film.
With holding a pack of toilet paper.
Hey guys, so welcome to my empty apartment tour where I'm just gonna hide the number. Come on. As I told you guys, you haven't seen this apartment, and I didn't include it in my apartment shopping video. So when you walk in, let's just go here first. This is a little nook. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this part yet, but this is just all random stuff that we're bringing in. But I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do here, probably a little chair, but I'm so excited. And here's the bathroom. That's a fan. Come on in. You have to replace these two like pot lights, but I honestly want to replace the bulbs anyways and make them a little bit whiter so we'll have a little bit of better lighting. Here we have a mirror and a sink, toilet, and shower. And I actually have a bath, which is really cool. So now I can take baths now. So then I have my laundry here. Super cute. I actually like having laundry in there because then it's all like put away in one place. And I have my cute little closet. I'll probably put some shoes here, like shoe rack and stuff. My dad's hiding in the corner. Okay, so this is where you enter from. This is from like a different angle. But so you walk in, I have my fridge. Here we have storage. I love the white cabinets. I was really looking for like a bright white kitchen, and I don't even mind the dark countertop. I like how it contrasts. My dishwasher, oven. You have to check if all these things work. Like you have to like test them out and stuff. Then all of these drawers. Just a lot of storage. But then you have this huge open area, and this is like kind of the huge difference between like another building that I was thinking of getting, because it wasn't the same amount of square footage. It was just a lot like skinnier. Basically, like the kitchen would just lead like out here and you wouldn't have any of that stuff. So this just feels so open. Look at my view! It's so pretty.
There's the thumbnail.
I can see, yeah, wait and post. We can see the Eiffel Tower. I always say that. I always say the Eiffel Tower. And they actually already put like carpet out here, which is actually really nice. And I'm thinking of getting some chairs here. Okay, so we have the water back here. If you look to the right, then we have all of these, which is gonna look so nice at night. And then we have townhouses down there. And then we have the Eiffel Tower, all these buildings. It's gonna look so nice at night. And this is my balcony. It's actually huge compared to the other ones that we looked at. So I'm literally in love with this view, and I can't wait to see it at night too. But I'm facing east, so the sun will rise up here. Let's go back in. We'll basically be like the main part. I'm gonna have like a little like TV area. This is my new TV. And we're gonna have couches. Can't wait to decorate this, oh my gosh. And then over here, I'm thinking of having like office kind of space, but kind of more open, so I can maybe have a space to work out and stuff. But we're probably gonna paint this wall white or do some little fancy thing with it. I don't know, you'll have to stick around and subscribe and watch my decorating videos. And here we have my bedroom. Let me do a big reveal. Oh my gosh, hi, I didn't see there. I'll be my bedroom. Here is going to be where my bed is. And I'm probably literally never gonna close these little like doors because they block the light. My closet here, which looks a lot smaller than it is, but you can see that it goes further. And I'm probably gonna get like other closet stuff, and I'll have my dresser here. Probably gonna paint this white too, but it's just like such a nice, bright, white, light, night kind of My sister actually lives in one of these buildings, so she can see my apartment from her apartment, and so I guess we can have this little like flashing light code wherever we want to communicate. But she has little like binoculars, and she can just like look from my apartment from where she is, which is kind of crazy. So, and that's like a really good reason why like I'm super comfortable moving in alone in an apartment downtown, because she's literally like a walk away. I don't even have to get into my car to go see her. So it's really nice. Today, we're kind of just gonna focus on like getting the kitchen set up and getting my coffee table set up, and also I have this little like pull-out bed thing that people can, when Corona's over, they can stay over, so I can, oh, I also have a locker, and it's like huge, thanks. But yeah, so that's basically my empty apartment, and we just have to finish bringing stuff in, little overview. I don't know,